SubTest. Golang supports the function unit test creation feature within the unit test function. This feature is a little strange and is rarely found in unit tests in other programming languages. To create a subtest, we can use the run function, running only subtests. We already know that if we want to run a unit test function, we can use the command go test run testname function. If we want to run only one of the subtests, we can use the command go test run test function name / subtest name. Or for all tests, all subtests and all functions, we can use the command go test run / subtest name. In this particular subtest, labeled James, the purpose is to verify that the Hello World function behaves correctly when given the name James as input. The subtest begins with t.Run, which creates a separate test case within the broader test function. By using subtests, the code becomes more organized, and individual test results are easier to track. Within this subtest, the function Hello World from the one package is called with James passed as the argument. The expected behavior is that Hello World James will return a string greeting Hello James. The result of this function call is stored in a variable named result. Next, the require equal function is employed to compare the result with the expected output, Hello James. This function checks whether the two values match. If they don't, the test will fail and an error message stating result must be Hello James will be displayed. Next, we just copy the function. We create the second function Darren and the third function Ronaldo. Now we have three functions that will be tested in one subtest. Let's just try it. The results can be seen here that in the test there are child tests again, meaning we can do many tests in one test function by using subtests.